Yebesi toilets, amamu. Yebesi toilets. In all, Yebesi 8-unit toilets, 4 8-unit toilets, 32 toilets in all, among the people of Agogo.
After all these things, now, we need to understand, say, and time I me open show, we know, me catch them say, the President of the Republic, John Dramani Mahama, and Mahama or President Mahama signs bill repealing the COVID-19 levy. Menoka say, and a boy John Dramani Mahama eshe Ghana for Ubia or to Abamano, any woman to Abba John Mahama and this in say, okay, so ba a COVID-19, sa COVID levy a Ghana for so be ye through, and the Menoka say, John Dramani Mahama and Sasha Kreta say, we ye a ye sa levy no if you where your president and I say where you are in some of kind of opposition, you know, 90% omodiso. And this is what we have always wanted. Nyoma mu yadin omo me yehu se nyoma mu ayadin. Bibi akire omo so a omo ne yadwene ho. And mate say lithium eye den deal no omo recall no. That is what a government does. A government listens to the people. A government looks at the mood of the people. A government always wants to serve. A government always wants to do something the people a benefit to omo. Inti abano etu anamobi na se nipa no a osebi omo di 2 minima ni abano sa nipa no se ye ni nje ho sa hwehwe mu biema. That government, if it is reasonable, rational and a listening government, it will take decisions. That is why today, even the lithium agreement, NPP for agreement, Bonnie on the two no, Abai way buy or the for buy na Ghana for say no, Abai has recorded, and that is what we need. So what you chrome na bibi koso na wompe levy kuffour the ba what can they also can be or say fuck off or the buy stikatna TV so catch say ye peo the levy ni beto yeso and para the levy to yeso. By under the NDC under John Dramani Mahama, they listen to the people, they watch the people's mood, almost share the nipa no epe because all of the 2 minimum. The citizenry gave power to the government, to John Mahama and Niku. It is a yempe bibia. Why is it so difficult for them to make sure that they correct it? So I see, say, even them recalling the lithium deal back from Parliament, to relook at it again, it's a big step in our democracy. It shows to say a byway is basically governing with the people. This is a government that is ready and open for business. It does not matter who you are. The government is even listening to them more than anybody else. So what is your problem? And John Dramani Mahama, the president, was signing kuffour the Baumia levy on the buyer. No, Canada Japan to parliament ka let me tell you, levy cabinet. Baumia not to obi. Baumia eka say yes, yemfa levy in court. Ghana for nyina kache Baumia say Baumia ebekuye ebe say ndwuma Baumia ka say no. Baumia gitumu. Canada Japan or the brand champion no mu me parliamentarians. Edu parliament no omo be debate. Eka say yes, yemfa nsha Ghana for nkon. Country no say parliamentarian edu twum or no so gitumu. Kobre Japan na or support Baumia ideas or munjintum. All these sankwas omo ka ho ne de levy be share Ghana for nkon. And John Dramani Mahama ba power. To be very fair with you, John Dramani Mahama oba power yi levy we ye fi betting tax we ye fi emission tax we ye fi COVID-19 levy we ye fi John Dramani Mahama is a doer. Anytime I catch Ghana for say I am still yet to see a politician in Ghana and resume Ebe Ben John Mahama in the next 40 years. I am still waiting. And this is a person, this is a president. A Bobia washa Ghana phobia no with this. So you cannot underestimate such a person. Debi am catch Ghana for say we are lucky to have John Mahama back. And John Mahama is back to correct some things for another 100 years. I to be correct. So we should be happy. You should be proud as a Ghanaian voting for John Mahama. You should protect the John Mahama government with your heart, with your blood. The day that we will have to defend John Mahama and his government with our blood, with our heart, that day will come. You and I, that fight that we fought in 2014, that work that we did, putting everything on the line to save the democracy of this nation, we need to protect that democracy still. And whenever we are called to duty, any day that we are called to duty to protect this democracy, protect John Mahama's government, you and I should be ready. Because if we let it slip, there are people who are scavengers, they are vultures and sanquas waiting to take advantage of us again. We need to make sure this country has been solidified, that to a point that nobody can come in and touch the country and make sure the country, as say, this country has to be solidified. And we as a people, we as a unit, we as a nation, we have to be ready, stand by, and put our blood on the line. That any day we are called to duty, any day, it does not matter. It can be tomorrow, it can be today, it can be whatever. Any day you are called to duty to protect the John Mahama administration and protect John Mahama, to protect the democracy and develop this nation, you have to be ready to protect John Mahama and this government and his administration and protect the democracy of this nation. It is very vital and very important. Into the fight that we fought for 8 years to get this country here, for democracy to prevail, for Ghanaians to have confidence in governance, for Ghanaians to believe that there are leaders who think about us, leaders who care about us, leaders who are ready and willing to work for us. We need to be ready and be on standby to be called to duty with our blood, with our soul, with everything in us to protect this nation. And it's only through we being together and we coming together to protect John Mahama's government and protecting this government wherever it's heading. We have to breathe air. Or say your home in Kongo abanim, not yet the abani kodu baby, yeni pesa abani kodu. It is upon us. We the people are God. The voice of the people is the voice of God. Voxi populi, voxi deyi. This is very, very important. John Dramani Mahama today signed this. And today as we speak, there's nothing like COVID or COVID levy. It has been taken away. Kind courtesy, John Dramani Mahama. Gigim. Now, I want to show you something.
This is the COVID Health Recovery Levy Repeal Act 2025. And it's my honor and privilege to sign to repeal the COVID levy. Promise made, promise delivered. During the COVID pandemic, governments purported to provide free water, free electricity, free food, and a lot of things. And to the shock of most Ghanaians after the pandemic was over and after the elections were over, government slapped Ghanaians with a 1% value-added tax, ostensibly to recover what it's supposed to have spent on the COVID pandemic. Ghana continued to remain one of the only countries where we're being taxed for a pandemic that had passed. And so during the election, we promised that when the NDC comes to power, the COVID levy is one of those who repeal. A lot of Ghanaians have disliked this tax, and today I'm pleased that on the 10th of December 2025, I've signed the repeal act to remove the 1% COVID levy. And I will present it to the Clerk of Parliament.
It's been signed. It was signed by the President of the Republic. A man you can trust, a man you can defend, and a man you can protect. Be on standby to protect your democracy. Be on standby to protect our development. Be on alert. Call to duty can be any day. It is important we protect this country, protect its democracy, and protect the development of Ghana. John Dramani Mahama, the NDC are willing, and we the people, because the voice of God is the voice of the people. Voxe populi, voxe dei. Now, Mama yanko enim na mjujwa bibi munchiro. Embrani dra. Aye. All right, now there's something going on. It's looking like Nipebia Omadwini say they want to find every means to say create impression be say aban we editro. aban we it can throw in opposition. John Mahama ne NDC no more adwumu poboni bi. Na omo opposition no in some omo kind no enye no omo ye ne. You see, we all have our opinions. And normally so obi onye dwuma bi ameye, obi only opportunity to sit on radio or on TV speaking anyhow. Sometimes you let it pass. You cut them a slack because at the end of the day, obekache who say ebia nipa we die onya akwenya no enye de the research ehun ye. But the moment Obe from say you are a journalist, you sit on radio, you sit on TV, you educate, you inform. Your priority or your hallmark should be say debiano asema obeka egum from emuno. It needs to come with some kind of the fact, and also the reasoning behind it should be so solid to the point that obi show and as otiewa obon so wadwene do na sebio enye trimu po boni bi na ode kasem no. And basically this our job is based on you being truthful to yourself, because so when you're truthful to yourself and nipa na show no obehun say you nankasa no de wote wo ye no, you are basically deceiving yourself, thinking you are also deceiving the person. Remember, so when your opportunity to be sitting behind a mic, a microphone, to be on TV, to call yourself a journalist, it is upon you to make sure, say, anytime I have an opportunity to speak on national issues, and I've said it over and over, enise obia do John Mahama aban, enise journalist bia support aban with your year. No. When the NPP government, they were in power, I was one of those people who criticized the government a lot. And I made sure, say, may criticize it by now. I don't become speculative. I always made sure, say, may the facts no and I criticize the NPP. And it's a majority of Ghanaians ever seen there, they believe in my platform than any platform in Ghana. Actually, the opposite will be dinokre. Even the NPP themselves, when they meet behind the scenes, they tell each other that this guy, the work he's doing, we wish to say Benya Obia obey the same thing. Work Benamiye, it is always making sure say me the no kreno air defeat atro. And open conform they admire me a lot. Mejuma me ya this for the NPP, they admire me. They admire me because they know say if they may no say omunyo obi kura man to be 2% anka nipa beji omwedi so omo ya no kuffour, because everything about them no I have exposed them to the core. Inti me Ghana, I know more NPP people admire me than the NDC. The reason is that for you to use truth to make sure say aban bi aba intimacy sin kuffour no sa nipa na utumi tin to no oma maximum respect. So I have a lot of respect when it comes to the NPP. Oba omwanga semuna omushia behind the scenes no mudin koma. They respect me than a lot of the journalists they deal with in Ghana, because they know, say, with this guy, he's not going to mince words. With this guy, he's not going to come and just insinuate, speculate, and try to create an impression, say, Obi ye bibi tia obi abrenya no kre. Apart from they being out there and insulting me and all that, deep down, they know, say, as far as I am here, it's going to be tough for them to come to power. And they know it. And it is one thing I've told Ghana for, say, yen yina yen to be support to NDC, yen yina yen to be support to John Mahama, but at least yen yina yen fan no kreno enchichire Ghana. See no kreno ne beba power. We the journalists na TV so no, we need to be transparent and honest with the people. Now mo go tie sa conversation between Obi and Omanhene. And that is the diabolic things in kuffour we yen will radio so every day. Majority of Ghanaians losing hope our governance. Some of these journalists and a lot of the young people entrust abain. Right now, the confidence and the belief Ghana for our abain, it is beginning to do what? It is beginning to build. But these people have decided to say abain MPP and now for no share to talk cast my we are going to indirectly find means to make sure say abain way. So, the papa cry, we will create the impression with the airtime we have, for Ghana for to think, say something is not going right. Now, they were having a conversation about what we call the presidential jet, and I say presidential jet and the parliament. Ajatum say Ghana Air Force and Koto. Remember, presidential jet biya ya tono Ghana biya no Ghana Air Force dia. The Falcon na and the apparatus we are trying to avoid any calamity. Say President biya ntinemu enko no. It belongs to the armed forces of Ghana. In the end, they are taught any presidential jet or Ghana. It does not belong to me, Kevin. And for all you know, John Mahama Kramp, one has a jet in Emberton or office. So it means it does not belong to John Mahama. It does not belong to John Mahama Ire, and it does not belong to Boliban Boy 4. That jet, that Parliament of Ghana, representatives, it belongs to the Air Force of Ghana, which belongs to you and I. Ghanaians, they decided to plane. But let me go back to something. The video we actually take your time and listen to these two people. Maybe I may address it, and then we need to understand. Ye go ye win ma sedodo. Nyoma ye ye na airtime. Ye ma manfo hu say radio ni TV ni eteso no ye fu. Ene sebio nyoma bia ye pe ahonya krono ni atro binti ni eto. Now it's not because of the people to educate. Let's go and listen to these two people. I'm taking it very quiet.
Sikana yeni bina yenhwe ne anya de ye prekope na yetratra wa tratra to so ama nyoma aginsem wie mesre se ne de akoya de se de ama yenyina o we because ya ye de beye bia ya kan de beka bia. Now if you don't come with at the straight to ensure say ye behwe se Ghana ni bebia wa obenya ma nti politicians yesremo when you mount political platforms for campaigner and throw in that a dose. You always raise the appetite of the Ghanaian, only for us to arrive at a point where
and we've been talking about
principles
in our politics. Did anybody even think, say, under an NDC government, we would have a conversation around the purchase of a new presidential jet?
Debbie,
you understand? It never crossed anybody's mind because of positions we take on issues when we are in opposition. And that's why we say, if you don't get to that level, Rebecca say, okay, because it's shocking, and we are talking of going to purchase a jet for $60 million.
And no crowd say yes, sir. For sure, dragging to us. Oh, and presidential jet. We know where.
Yeah, Tama Air Force.
Nowhere has it been said that it's a presidential jet.
No, that's all the jets are Tama president. Yeah, Tama Air Force.
On my way.
I think we should all pick the right lens because some voices are not loud last year, and the women are quiet. You know, but the things that were happening last year now or more Casano, it's still happening.
So
we have to last year the Moody atemo hono. This year's almost and when we say some of these things and yes will be time but we've been around for a while. I him how these things play out. But when him say they say jet will use because no precedent and I said jet no. And said then yes, but when him say call France the last time Honorable Maneboama echo Parliament before saying I'm beton Safrem. Yeah. Uzana or can't new man ye defect about the plane into a modern service. What is it? About it's been around close to 1 month. But also I'm paying to me because you can't.
No, okay.
You can't. But we were told say it was in pristine condition. You cannot use it.
So
that's what we're saying. Say about let's be a bit more nationalistic. Yes, yeah, the power. We'll do one or two things,
but we should be careful.
We should be careful.
See, say, any be a winning more abajin say, omocha peteshiba and omo kasa. These are the people you call seasoned journalists. Say, unimo mudana uti abajin say, omocha peteshiba bi no mabo no omo kasa. And I say we use words like these against such boys. The question here is, when another Dankwe Kuffour the president, no, now or started say oriented jet, no, did he inform us? So if Kuffour had come on national television, the defense minister had come on national television to inform Ghanaians to say, we came to meet this jet which was bought by Kuffour. It is outmoded. The rate at which it's going back and forth, every day we have to repair it. We believe that the president of the republic, as we speak, Nane Kuffour, he needs to get a new jet, do you think anybody would have fought the government? Do you think any reasonable Ghanaian would have stood up to fight a Kuffour and the NPP government? But what happened? We had a government that was renting a jet with the taxpayers' money and refusing to tell us why they are spending that amount of money. So if even Poyenim plane no, it was faulty, they were repairing it. It is up to the government of the day to be transparent. To tell the people, say, you know what? We have a jet that is outmoded. The president cannot be using this. So at this point, we are going to rent a jet. But what happened was, we, the citizenry, are near taxes. Kuffour was spending 18,000 euros every hour to rent a jet. You know. Through our representatives in parliament, we questioned the government that, is the president spending this amount of money on a rented jet without our knowing? What was the answer they gave us? No, sometimes, you know, mama yenim say yanu tiamo, I say mwe Jimmy. What was the response from Nitiwo when we asked as our representatives in parliament to say, is it true that the president's safety, he is hiding and renting a jet every single hour for $18,000? Now just saying, Nitiwo kwasi ampenyi we begina parliament catcher say, Ghanaians, this is an emergency. Our president cannot use this flight, this jet. We want to buy a new one. And right now that we don't have a new one, we are going to rent a jet for the president to use. Do you think anybody would have fought? Those who were going to scream would have screamed. But the safety of the president then was going to be paramount to every single Ghanaian. And no amount of argument against that would have held or had stand. But when these people came to parliament, it took an opposition member of parliament to uncover that crime. I say it's a crime because if it wasn't a crime, these people who were in parliament or in government, they would have been open about it. It took an opposition. And when I hear Obi saying, say we should be principled, are you stupid? Law school now, what you're saying. When we talk about being principled, it's being over transparent. What was the principle in those things they did? So principle now open. Any lies now must say politicians opposition and this opposition. What made Ghanaians angry? What made Ghanaians angry was that we were asking for answers. And the answers we got was that, yes, we cannot know, we are not allowed to know how much the president is spending. We were even told at a point that the president needed a plane or radio so. Adna de bia mo pese ya no tiamo Jimmy nti e de mpa na MPP for cars om to toma amo a om de call law school still am bra be ejire. Can't you people reason beyond this? You call yourself journalists and you go all the way to talk about the position we take on issues. The reason why the NDC in opposition took that position in opposition was because the government wasn't being transparent. The president was renting a jet every 60 minutes. 18,000 euros. Our jet, he did not tell us the condition of the jet. We asked for it. He did not give us answers. The defense minister who came to parliament insulted every single person. What has this got to do with politicians taking a position opposition? The reason why the NDC then, Omuka said they don't agree is because the government was failing to tell us how much they were spending every single 60 minutes on this dwarf. Calculate the amount of money Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo used in renting a jet every single 60 minutes. Never to $60 million. We will not share Sisika. Akufo-Addo kwasi ampenyi ne say no. Mumwe jimi kakra. Just do your math. Go back. You people should go back and say, okay, Akufo-Addo renting jet 18,000 euros an hour. So renting jet is 3 months, 4 months. And you're saying even in a week, calculate 18,000 by 1 week every hour. Ne calculate. In the end, a government is in power and tells you, say, we are not going to go rent any jet privately. The president is not going to send the defense minister to parliament to lie to anybody. The president said, say, our plane is not in good condition and that we need to buy a new one. What is the big deal? What has the government done when they try to? Who has lied about anything? I don't know what Jimmy say. I don't know who you are trying to please here. Apply the common sense. People are watching you. Nobody took a stand in opposition and has taken a different stand today. The reason why we were all angry and the opposition was making noise was because the government was spending 18,000 euros every 60 minutes. And the government failed. Even when the defense minister was brought to parliament to tell us, he told that the president needs to bath in the plane. So they needed to go rent a jet, and they could not deny that they never rented a jet that cost 18,000 euros an hour, 60 minutes. Calculate 60 minutes by 2 months and compare if it's not going to be over $60 million. What kind of human beings are you? We were in this country. And Nanado Dankwe Kuffour Ekachere Ghana for say, we're promising in Nyankopon he is going to build a cathedral. There are so many Christians in Ghana. Thank you, Mr. S. No, wait. Thank you, Mr. S. Let me play this. No, you see, it's Mutina radio, so now my junior must say, Obie Jimmy, Obie Nimnyansa, into your Betnawa, Jandama, my MPP. Yabema Abena say because Aban we die ye ni obi obetwa play na mayakwa abrochi akodena kede de Japan basement Aban we die nyom no hwe law school Aban we die nyom no fidi enti yebesa Aban na emamu ye jimifo. The anger in Ghanaians, the reason why it took an opposition member Okujato Ablakwa to uncover this rot. You are not worried about that? Ye journalism na mo ye ne tantantan sa no. E dey inkurase for journalism na mo ye ne sa no. Who are you fighting? Who are you thinking, say, you can use this kind of dirty politics to destroy? Who are you fighting? This is Nituo.
Current Falcon 900, though serviceable, lacks enough range to reach long-haul destinations without refueling stops. The Falcon 900 jet will technically stop at airports where the president does not intend to do a stopover, and this could lead to unnecessary delays and placing a burden on an unintended host to offer diplomatic courtesies that they would not ordinarily be prepared for. Typically, a normal refueling stop takes about 1 hour, but in this COVID era, refueling may take about 2 hours or more because the passengers have to disembark and or the host country security has to enter the aircraft to inspect. The era of COVID-19 and its associated protocols, including distancing, has further brought to bear the inadequacies of our current aircraft fleet. Mr. Speaker, we must remember that ideally, a president must travel with his office. That is staffers who will be around him in order for the president to be able to do his work efficiently and effectively, even whilst abroad. As it stands, Mr. Speaker, it is important that he travel to his security as well as his presidential press corps when necessary. Currently, when the president uses the Falcon 900 EasyJet, most of these other necessary staffers travel commercial with increased cost, as well as suffering attendant delays in transit because of the lack of direct flights to ultimate destinations. The simple answer I would have given to the question asked by the honorable member would have been a simple yes. The Falcon EX Easy with registration number 9G-EXE is serviceable. But as members will now appreciate from my explanation earlier, the decision to travel particularly to long and multiple destinations, such as the president traveling to France, Belgium, South Africa, and back to Ghana, especially during this COVID time, would always require a larger capacity aircraft, such as a BBJ or an aircraft ACJ 319U, even when the Falcon is airworthy.
When they were in power, And we questioned them in parliament to say, why is the president renting a jet every 60 minutes for 18,000 euros? These were the reasons they gave us. Now, me just say, Ghana for say, and then the president be also no, we should buy. What catch the Ghana for? Or say, I could enter president rent a kuffour rent jet every 1 hour beyond 18,000 euros, no, because na plane no. So somebody took kwanya the engine is into a stop bubu petru e kwanso. A delay no. Unintended stops. Or make stop the do. No mujina krobia swa. E was a security for plane we be check him and ne ka ho and no mama kuffour rent jet 18,000 euros. Reasons or my excuses nitia. E kuja to black kwachi omo no. Ijana musa mo Omanhene ne e obi musa mo majimi. Another excuse reason or mine say. Or see refuel na ayana fa kono ekuffour the time no etu na ekọ another kuro bi so say e refuel a ye de petrol guma ebu edi be 2 hours a delay precedent no on kan just plane into me duo or see plane 2 a ekwan ne wan tesi baby na asa ebu petrol eno 2 hours no a delay precedent no. Another excuse or see COVID-19 inti na mo mpese president ne be sisi nkro fufuro so na wenya covid. And into a rent jet 18,000 euros and the kuffour. Or call him no, or say president no, or to me in the office a 2 coin. That means the presidential staff is in your majority or someone it's not plane. Sometimes you can secret into your plane and so and not almost rented jet 18,000 euros every hour. Also, I call him no, or can I could say, president say otu kwan sa na sa nipa no omukofo commercial jet na say president require commercial jet e de ka beto Ghana so say president ever commercial jet it is more expensive than president rent a jet 18,000 euros an hour o we equal the total say president obehia plane na obetumi dware wom. So when you make this statement in power NPP na Ghana for busa say adentina wo yes sir adentina wanye open to us aden one kan kire ya o ka kire wo Omanhene ne obi to work ka some kire say politicians should be truthful and principled. What is the principle in this? Obi aba power no say I'm not going to lie to you. How many times has John Mahama fly a commercial jet or be a president we? John Mahama no ofechen na Kuffour do. John Mahama o wache nya na Kuffour do. John Mahama didn't hu ni chen Kuffour do. John Mahama sebio oduru baby a oye more appealing chen Kuffour do. John Mahama sebio plane bi o ha okwan mu ansa na okum Kuffour do oya motia onkwan mu enso John Mahama of the commercial flight so many times in his second coming in the Kuffour do achichidie we no o change John Mahama na John Mahama otu kwan no na the staff on kan ho commercial flight ni John Mahama etu kwan na okoba no na the staff on kan ho adena mo jimi sa mo tena radio so what do you intend to achieve? So politicians are supposed to be principled. Position in the past, the position in the past was because it was that Nana Kuffour do MPP Monkwasi party no more Jimmy. They were stupid, and you people should admit it. Why say zoo nkwara? Mo tena radio so na mubi bia say na say Jimmy. Why are you people misinforming people like that? Why are you misinforming? Plane here yama budget 60 million yakoto plane no. Yakase Mahama Dina daso. Yakase Lordina Mahama Dina daso. It is for the Ghana Air Force. Monkwasi MPP niba power in 41 years time. Enya no abi no be using. So what do you people need again? Adena, my so bent on say, you be go abandon masse, you be chat show, you be creative BB. It is not working. Near to Kromha. The same thing, and a Kuffour. A Kuffour the catcher say he wanted to build a cathedral. Now, a Kuffour the catcher said he wanted to build a cathedral. Did he say Ghanaians are on him, forcing him to build a cathedral? A Kuffour the catcher say, was shedding young coupon bibo. Say, oh, we need elections, sir. Obesi cathedral. Okansa ni yankon tokwa, obikuye, obianko. Nanado danko a Kuffour the catcher say, Obe raise sika esi a cathedral enye taxpayer ne AC. Mr. S, get me the video. Mama didn't come on one and assembly. We are mama who some Jimmy. This is a kuffour. Thank you, team. This is a kuffour. This is a kuffour. Listen to a kuffour.
71% of the Ghanaian people adhere to the Christian religion, grouped under the various persuasions of the Christian faith. The interdenominational national cathedral will help unify the Christian community and thereby help promote national unity and social cohesion. The Supreme Court of the Republic, in unanimously rejecting recently a challenge to the constitutionality of the cathedral project, laid particular emphasis on this point in granting approval to the development of the project. Thirdly, I made a pledge to Almighty God that if He was gracious enough to grant my party, the New Patriotic Party, and I, victory in the 2016 election after 2 unsuccessful attempts, I would help build a cathedral to His glory and honor. As I have said before, the cathedral will not be just another national monument adorning the skyline of Accra. It will be the rallying point for the Christian community to come together to worship, to pray, and to promote deep national conversations on the role of faith in building Mother Ghana. It will house a Bible museum, and it will be an iconic infrastructure for national, regional, and international pilgrimage and tourism. It will be a monument.
Nanado Dankwe Kuffour catch Ghana for say National Cathedral no wosino. Washene Nyankopon boss say after 2 attempts now went to me we need power now we need third one now. Obetsi amano no okachire wo national television so na wo bi kwasi ampenyi Omanhene kwasi ampenyi na monte wo o say ono o try to be president twice we nya na o show nyame boss say onyame ma ne tumi wini ne third one na obesi cathedral amano o kaso no kaso the Ghana sika besi cathedral o ka say o the Ghana asase besi cathedral o ka say obetam your budget sika esi cathedral. Kwasi ampenyi we kasa no say odin share the nyame bo because I tried 2 times went to me. Now you know one funny thing. Say can another Dankwe Kuffour the win elections no. Say can Kuffour by national television. And of France of nyina ni Ghana fo nyina ni nkrimofo no bia no ka say woni bibi. My fellow Ghanaians. Yedim say nkrimofo mo Ghana de. Eye Arab fo omomwa kakrenti ye won national Ede mosque. We are very pleased about and we really appreciate. I think it's about time yensu Christopher no yensu yebenya something similar to the national Ede mosque. Into as a president no I'm ye Christo need. I just want Ghanaians to support me to also at least try all of us to build a national cathedral. I am very sure Sanka 90% of Ghanaians will support it. And 99% of Ghana for now will be like, Mr. President, this is a fair deal. At least, you're lucky na Sebio Arab for the Beboa, you for see national mosque. At this point, you know, as a nation where we all live in harmony, religious beliefs, if the president comes and say he believes to say, Onua Christo ni, also feel say a Christo for something like that, in harmony. I don't think the chief imam would have been angry. I don't think Abosonson 4 will be angry. I don't think any of us will be angry. Nanke Kuffour can say, you know something? I'm not going to get money myself to build a national cathedral. Senka money be ya adwene a mama yama aban ma yesika kakra. Na amanfo so en donate. In fact, ye betumi the sika say ebia 50 million e free aban ho e dia start. So amanfo start say omu donate voluntarily. The more they donate no, say etumi donation be do be 70%. It means 50 million e kura ye hia free aban ho. We might need avia be 30 million. This is reasonable. Ghanaians will be like, Kuffour, let's do it. Inti, what catch aban person ko afutuo 50 million. nanke de start Ghana for mosoma kuma pa inkrimufo ekristofo buda wanwanfo mosomo betumi donate na emom no yehwe donation na se dɔso a sika no kura ye free aban sikem ye betumi ateso. This is reasonable. That time Kuffour winning power 2017, everybody was excited because this guy was hunting presidency for 30 years. So it wouldn't have been a problem. As software, in Kora, in Kremofo, we would have all embraced it. Now the Danko Kuffour the MPP in Kwasiafo can just say they were not going to use our money to build any cathedral. Say, why should he take the taxpayers' money at the end of the day? Then you tell me that, why am I angry? You are going to build a cathedral on lies? Are you people stupid? Nobody hates God. Nobody's against any religion. But at least we cannot build the house of God and the base of the house of God is built on criminality. No. Sadia na MPP for omunimu ye na mu obi mu ne Omanhene mu agimi amonti ase. Nobody's against cathedral. Nobody's against any religion. Kremoni bi in Ghana is against Christian religion and no Christian is against any Islamic religion in Ghana. But we need to use our brains to let the people feel we are not taking advantage of them. You know, now over $90 million has been taken without our notice. We were questioning the system. People needed money, the taxpayers' money. Yes, Christo echo Jerusalem. Mon kwasiafo amoto amusume Christofo. Owura ne papa sorry fia otwankofo echi. Ose monfa de eye Kaiser dia, ema Kaiser. Na monfa de ye onyankopon de ema onyankopon. Wodim nyansa che Yesu Christo. He knew that Saudi sikasha di pansema obetuma ye de ni so de ye. That is principle. My say nine. Inkofo di twantro, inkofo na Jimmy. They lied to the people. They even lied through religion. And we as young people and young Ghanaians, making them understand they don't have to come close to power because they even use the Lord's name to lie to the people. And you stupidly sit there and say, Obi oppositioner, use principle. Who would have had an issue with the Kuffour if he had made this decent statement? Yet Kuffour bubu judge for dying. We were still quiet. Nobody said anything. Yet Kuffour said, we see Ojiji Sika and the Cathedral. Nobody said anything until it was discovered that all these foolish old men were taking our money from our national money. Oforiata was stealing and giving to Kuffour, his cronies. That is when people got agitated. What the fuck is wrong with you people? And you sit there and you make it look like, say, Obi Time BB. And at this point, you are still defending a foolish man and his group of animals who think everybody is stupid. So they can just use politics to enrich their fucking selves. And this nonsense needs to stop. Radio Ghana. I was born an Anglican. Me worry Jew new ba. I have no problem with religion. No religion. Me need problem with religion. Say Israel for Hamas for I get angry because they are humans. You get what I mean? Say Israel ni Hamas niya. I get angry. So Hamas ni Israel niya. I get angry. Not because me a Jew ni inti. Say Israel ni ana Jew ni ya die na enya na Hamas ni akwara Palestine akwara yekunu akwara onimu ntokwa ho bibia yeku akwara na I should be happy. No, are you crazy? We should stop this foolishness. Yama Jimmy Fobiti radio TV so misinforming and disinforming the people. How do we build a nation like this? Speculative journalism.
Soba Oman sana mekono mami kasemi. Yeah. Yadi ye tete. Oman ye tete se. Unse a teacher phone bi omawie school ewo fie na recruitment enko ye no. Ayen for modwuma tese de laboratory fo be ka omode enra no. Oman ye tete se esuma se recruitment bi ekoso.
Ewo a teacher phone.
Ewo teacher phone nim. Esuma se recruitment bi ekoso a omo etue sika me bo sika no so che wo ma no ti be ye oya
ye hwehwe ma na nke ye nchi nipa ba kominu bi because
yes
ye enye no so obi etue sika se obi etue sika ba hu nipa no so da
na oman de ye kan so ne se a teacher for wo fie droso sa kwanya beda ho a wo se omo eye recruitment a omo miemu omo nya open
okay
but yen fam fase na nkrofo ntue sika mfase na ye nyi sika no mfase na ye ma wo ma appointment letters mfase menyini se e wo se asoman ye soso sade we so
okay
joban we de ye de ho information nyina beba
kina da mbesi ye din komo wo ye fancy ye na de
underground recruitment of teachers are ekoso no ye wo information nyina omo boss abra no menim se ye education service se ye education ministry ya te de ekoso nyina
okay
Soba omana sana mekono mame ka asemi.
Yeah.
This is prime time radio. Adom FM. This is prime time radio. That is my problem with some of the media houses in Ghana. Some of the so-called journalists for. This lady speaking. The Nufugutebo so. Then oka. Ya tete say. Jesus Christ. This is 2025. This is 2025. You can just pick your phone and call the education minister. You can call the Ghana Education Service. You can call the PRO of the Ghana Education Service. This is 2025. For crying out loud. You sit on radio and say, yet it is say, teachers recruitment, no, ye fabia juma. You are the Kotibe Kaun. Your job is to make sure say mimika yetiti say won't can yetiti say you don't speculate. Say ma menim to jom yen nuanom ne nam kwan ho yen nuanom mo fie no e ka say yetiti say they have the right to say that. There's a reason why ntia ukọ eyiase a ne e boss samrahina yese abayua we de oyen samtroni e wa adom abrantie we de say people see you say wakonya some knowledge be some skill some kind of ethics be you know how to communicate before you speak you should be factual about your way utie nika semu a yetete say yeah fa teacher for sumase. This is prime time radio. This is 2025 nanim dia ya okasa kwa chire na afi o see your evidence say your information now information. Why don't you start giving out the information? When I was starting also what to say, meaning you are speculating. You are just hearing. You have no facts to it. At the tail end of your comment, also say more information. Munim ni pa omoje bribe. What is this? What is this? Ediebeni. Amokuawe. She does not qualify to sit on radio. I swear to God. I am telling you. The damage as Amokuawe eye Ghana no. Se munima kamude mo feelings aton chain as stop sa nyoma we intentem. Me say Amokuawe kokowe she does not have to sit on radio. We be bien enum kankan ka che say ye de na wonim. We wasesa na nu for good table so. Ke kan kwase asem no facts. Obo 98D. Okasa 10 minutes ne hu fi free. Oni facts. We're using the tonwa be yin ebe si ni ase. Wo hwe ni searchers o kabanku ewo e de Yugoslavia jom. Kurasini yo. Politics, journalism na ya fu. Hwe ni searchi. Na bodwe ase ne na so echi. Aso o kabanku ewo asaf market. Now wait to TV so say primetime journalists informing, sitting on radio and speculating. Now uni pana say listen to her. The latter part of her statement. Listen to the latter part of the statement.
Soba omana sana mekono mame ka asemi.
Yeah.
Ya de ye tete. Oman ye tete se unse a teacher phone bi omawie school e wo fie na recruitment enko ye no. I am for Mojuma say the laboratory for be come de enra no. Oman ye tete se esumase recruitment bi ekoso.
Ewo a teacher phone.
Ewo teacher phone nim. esumase recruitment bi e koso a omo etue sika me bo sika no so che wo ma no ti be ye oya
ye hwehwe ma na nke ye nchi nipa ba ko mienu bi because
yes
ye enye no so obi etue sika se okọ obi etue sika ba hu nipa no so da
na oman ye kan so ne se a teacher for wo fie droso sa kwanya beda ho a wo se omo eye recruitment a omo miemu omo nya open
okay
but yen fam fase na nkrofo ntue sika mfase na ye nyi sika no mfase na ye ma wo ma appointment letters mfase menyini se e wo se asoman ye soso sade we so
okay
joban we de ye de ho information nyina beba
tena da mbese ye din komo ho ye fancy ye na de
underground recruitment of teachers are ekoso no ye wo information nyina underground recruitment of teachers are ekoso no ye wo information nyina omo boss abra no minim say your education service
how do you call this journalism? Who calls this journalism? Who information it to wonufu se banku abetina ho se den wonufu se dansen abetina ho tell the people, because we all want to build a nation. So be what ministry on yes sir, you let us know. You approach the people, you question them, you take their voices, you take your notes, you come to studio and say, this is what we followed up on, and this is what we have been able to come up with. Yet it is say. Was out to us information when what afra so clear the use of tone. What afra pokre. What afra sunshine. Edi egu edwapa mu edi esi edwaye edi bentu esi ho edi srawo ho. How did we get here as a nation? How is this journalism? How is this journalism? How did this become journalism? How can we build a nation with such clowns? This incoqualizations way, how can we build with them? Nobody's against you reporting on corruption. We all want to see it. But why are you speculating? Why are you making it look like there's something when there's nothing? Adiana mubenya wom. We in the draws aton chain, the two wafu kakra, and what tiakonyum, and the two fifre. The can kwasiasam. Yajinem. Boom, 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 boom.
Be of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubwahe, Alajete, J.A. Kuffour. Those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas.